Hi, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, bathroom category, and facilities also. So let's see the screen property location, reviews, the nearby attractions, and landmark also. You can provide its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. Check description of the video. If you want to see kind of property, this property, then you can tell us by we will help you. If you